I'm going off like 100 clip. We never sleeping on my dogs, bagging all the chips. Never tripping, almost floating in these easy kicks. I see your girlie is a fan, so we gon' take a...
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Wisco, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do maintenance or an oil change on the E92 M3. As you can see right here, so I got my baby ready to go. I'm going to show you guys what I purchased to do the oil change. Most of the parts in the oil I purchased off of Amazon. Just keep in mind, I'm over here in Europe, in Italy, so certain sellers do not sell to APO addresses, so you got to make sure you search for the right ones that will ship to you. But it wasn't a hard task, got everything I needed. Kind of wish I got liquid moly, however, you know, out here it's like liquid gold. You know, a lot of people drive to Germany, which is like 10 hours away, to go pick some up. I'm actually going to Amsterdam this week, but I doubt I'll be able to bring some of that back, but it would be nice. But regardless, I got everything I needed to do the change. I actually got the car right now set up on some Rhino ramps. Now it's a little snug in this little storage unit I have, but I just jacked the car up, put the Rhino ramps under it, drove it up, and I got more than enough clearance to actually get under the car and do the maintenance. Let me show you guys exactly what I purchased so you can do this yourself. And
guys, so these are the items that I purchased off of Amazon. You got your Mile original filter for the E92 M3. Should look something like this. This is pretty much what they recommended, and it's basically close to OEM. That was pretty cheap. You got your copper crush washers for the drain plug, and then you have your gaskets for the filter. You have your 6mm hex bit socket right here. It's gonna be to take out the drain plugs under the car. And you have your 36mm, I'm sorry, 36mm socket. This is gonna be for the filter cover. And of course, have your oil. The one that they recommend for the E92 M3 is the Castrol Edge Supercar titanium. This is going to be the 10W60. However, there are some that look similar to this one, but it says, like, I think it's sport. Stay away from that one. I heard that one's not good for the car, and it will actually damage your E92 M3. So yeah, basically I got this whole setup right here. It comes in a box of 12. As you can see, I still got some down here. And basically the whole setup was $130, so it's not that expensive, but I believe the car takes 8 to 8.5 liters. I have 9 here just in case I have to top it off, and yeah, just to be on the safe side. So basically that's what you need to do the car. Like I said, you need the Rhino ramps as well, which I got right there, a jack, some good lighting, some towels, maybe some gloves for the oil, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, pretty much that's all the equipment you need to actually do the oil change. As you can see right here, we got this the cap for the oil that you're going to put in here. It says Castrol on the top. You have your filter cap right here that you're going to use the 36mm socket to take off, and everything else is going to be under the car. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Alright guys, so unfortunately it looks like I won't be able to complete the car's oil change right now. I'm going to try to see if I can get on base and use some special tools that they might have over there to take out the oil drain plug. So I got it in the car, try to do everything, and it looks like the last owner stripped the hell out of that plug, so it's not budging at all. It's pretty much smooth under there, so without special tools, maybe like a torque hammer or something, it's not going to come off. So I'm just going to wait till I get on base, see what they have over there, see if I can take that off. But pretty much it's a simple step. Once that comes off, the oil comes out. You replace the plugs, crush washers with new ones, close it up, make sure it's all fully drained out, and then right back to the top, you're going to fill it up with all the oil from the Castrol. But can't do it right now. It's not moving. So I'm going to check to see what they have on base. Hopefully they're open. Today is Sunday. I doubt they're open, but I'm going to call and maybe see if they are. If they're not, probably got to follow this up tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned guys. I'll show you guys the rest of the steps when I get back over there. Peace.
Can I get that ratchet? No, I might not need it. Yeah, with these, you always want to oversize them a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you can punch into them because the metal's kind of soft. That's why it's stripped out in the first place.
Exactly. There we go. Finally.
I'll come back to get that out.
I appreciate it. Alright, there she goes. Usually 6,000 miles when I do my change, but this is a little, like 1,000 miles over past due, so gotta do this one. And gotta take care of this one right here, but luckily this one is not stripped out. This one was badly stripped out, so remember guys, it's counterclockwise, so if you're looking from the front to the back, it's counterclockwise, so you'll be turning it to the left from this angle. Make sure everything's drained out completely. They usually say give it like a good hour to fully drain out the system from both plugs. So just let this sit here for a little bit. At this time is a great time to like do an inspection of your car. Just make sure like your tires are in good shape. These front tires gotta get replaced. You know, make sure your tires are in shape. Make sure there's no leaks anywhere else. Make sure you don't have no cracks or no holes. You know, make sure you check for any wear and tear, anything that might raise some alarms in the future. Eventually I gotta do a rear differential flush as well. But yeah, so you wanna check for all of that stuff. But yeah, fun times.